The task is to construct a square given its diagonal. So the diagonal D is given, and we need to construct a square where the diagonals are equal to D. First, we draw a straight line. On this line, we will mark the diagonal D. Using a compass, place the needle of the compass on one end of the diagonal and the pencil on the other. Without changing the compass's setting, mark this distance on the straight line. This line represents the diagonal D. Let's make it clearer. Since the diagonals of a square intersect and are divided in half at the point of intersection, to construct the second diagonal, we need to draw a perpendicular bisector to the first diagonal. To do this, we keep the compass set as it is, or make it slightly smaller. From one end of the segment, draw an arc, and from the other end, without changing the compass's setting, draw another arc. The arcs intersect at 2 points. We connect these points to get the perpendicular bisector. This bisector divides the diagonal in half and is perpendicular to it. Now, on this perpendicular bisector, we will construct the second diagonal of the square. Since the diagonals of a square are equal and are divided in half at the intersection point, we measure half of the diagonal and mark it on the bisector. We measure this distance, that is, the halves of the diagonal. We mark it here and here. Here they are, the remaining vertices of the square. This segment is the second diagonal of the square. Now we just need to connect the vertices. The resulting quadrilateral is a square with diagonals equal to the given diagonal D.